Okay, so it's me, Denny Daniel from the Museum of Interesting Things, and I'm here with
John.
And John is amazing. He came all the way from New Hampshire, and he's a great historian guy. So if you ever need history, he knows everything. And he's going to open up one of these boxes here. And John, as you know, I'm going to do this like a 40-second street show game. Are you ready?
Ready.
You could never be ready for this. So here we go. I'm mixing up the boxes. Are you confused?
No. I mean, yes.
Oh, yeah. Wrong answer. Okay, so pick a box, any box.
All right, I'll pick this one. Right
Excellent. And there's your scalpel.
Yep. Got it.
Just try not to cut them, me, or yourself.
Mm-hmm.
But remember, I do have those tools. I still have those tools.
Okay. You might need to remove the musket ball later. You never know.
Here we go. Better give you that so
I'll
I
take
cut
that.
something. This is also well wrapped. There you go.
That's it. Okay. Oh, I know what that is.
The scissors are really
Meanwhile, I thought that was in the box you opened. I can never tell what's in a box.
What is that dress thing? That was cool. Oh, it's over there. Nice. Yeah, that's cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
looks like
Oh, it's
Spirograph.
Hey, we used to play
Spirograph.
with
There
these.
you go.
We were kids. I remember
That's
this.
You gotta
so
have one of
cool.
You
Oh my
remember
God.
Mm-hmm.
Remember capsellas?
What's that?
Capsellas. You remember those? Like toys we used to use.
Oh,
Put together. You
yes.
just put
I have those.
bubbles and.
Someone
had
at
one of
Maker
these.
Faire, was that you at Maker Faire that mentioned it? Someone at
think so.
Maker Faire mentioned it, and I got them for them.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Well, that's a,
This
that's
looks like a complete set.
that's
Yeah,
a-
it is.
I remember that.
Yeah.
Those were
Yeah.
awesome.
That is
drawn on,
so
but
cool.
other
So
than
this
that-
is the famous Spirograph, which I had as a kid too.
Yeah.
I remember playing with it. And you'd put a pencil and circle around and you on the paper, and it would make all these cool designs. Which maybe there's some on the cover. Oh, there's some behind the cover and on the cover. So that's the cover. That's the original
It's in
version.
good condition.
And these are some of the options for making these. Trippy before trippiness. That is so cool. That is a really cool one for you to open. Wow. I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say bye to the world.
Kenners.
Bye world. Yeah. Yeah, I remember that company.
I'm going